Good morning, good morning, students. Very good morning. Let me see the new topic called electrochemistries. So these are some introduction about the electrochemistry. Then conductor. So these topics are already discussed. Non-conductor, insulator, then type of conductor, metallic conductor, and electrolytic conductors, and type of electrolytic conductors. Then difference between metallic conduction and electrolytic conductions, and then cell terminologies. So various cell terminologies is there: anode, cathode, electrolyte, anodic compartment, and cathodic compartment. And then various cells. Cells are of two types: electrolytic cell and electrochemical cells. Then electrolytic cells are the cells in which electrical energy is being used to bring about the chemical reaction. Example: electrolysis, electroplating. Okay, electrochemical cells are nothing but it is a galvanic cell in which the chemical energy is converted into electric energy. This is the reverse of the electrolytic cells. For example, Daniell cell. Okay, so some of the redox reaction is there. Already we have discussed those topics, redox reaction. So today we introduce a new topic called electrochemical cell. Okay, electrochemical cell. So electrochemical cells are the galvanic cells which electron transfer due to redox reactions are converted into electrical energy. Okay, the cell device constructions, it consists of zinc electrode dipped in 1 molar zinc sulfate solution, the copper electrode which is dipped in 1 molar copper sulfate solution. Each electrode is known as half cells. Okay, the two solutions are interconnected by salt bridge, and the two electrodes are connected by through wire with a voltmeter. So this is the construction of the cell. Here we see the zinc electrode which is dipped in the zinc sulfate solution, the copper electrode which is dipped in the copper sulfate solution. The two electrodes are connected through a wire. Okay. But then the reactions occurs in the cells at anode. The oxidation takes place so that the zinc electrode it liberates electron or it loses electron. So that the electrode attains is called a negative electrode. Okay. So at cathode, the reduction takes place, the copper electrode by acceptance of electron. So this electrode is called a positive electrode. And then the liberation, electron liberated by the oxidation reaction flow through the wire, external wire, and are consumed by copper ions at cathode. So in this reaction, we are using salt bridge. So it consists of U tube containing a saturated solution of KCl in agar-agar gel or ammonium nitrate. So it connects the two half cells of a galvanic cell. Okay. Then we see the function of salt bridge. What is the function of salt bridge? It eliminates liquid junction potential to provide electrical continuity between the two half cells. The condition of cell which acts as a standard cell. What is the condition of the cell which acts as a standard cell? Okay, the EMF of the cell is reproduced. So this is the one of the condition, the cell which acts as a standard cell. So second condition, the temperature coefficient of the EMF, that is change in EMF temperature, should be very low. So this is the second condition. So the cell obey these two conditions so that the cell which acts as a standard cell. Okay. Okay, students, let me conclude up to this topic. Thank you.